In this tutorial I will show you how to hide unwanted comments on Instagram. Instagram gives you tools to control what shows up in your comment section, helping you filter out offensive or spammy remarks automatically. Here's how to set it up. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone and tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section and select Comments. Under Types of Comments, you'll see the option for Hide Unwanted Comments. By default, this is set to None, which means all comments appear, even if they're offensive or spam. If you choose Some, Instagram will automatically filter out comments it considers inappropriate. Choosing More applies stricter filtering, hiding a larger number of comments based on Instagram's criteria. Pick the option that works best for you. Once enabled, Instagram will start filtering comments, keeping your posts cleaner and more positive. And that's it. Now you know how to hide unwanted comments on Instagram.